Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're scratching your head over the F29 error code on your Maytag appliance in 2025, don't worry, we've got you covered. Today, we're diving into what this error means, why it happens, and how you can fix it yourself. Let's jump right in. First off, the F29 error code on Maytag washers or dryers typically signals a communication problem between the machine's control board and its components, like the motor or sensors. This could be due to a software glitch, wiring issues, or even a faulty part. It's one of those codes that pops up when something's interrupting the appliance's internal chat, so to speak. Now, if you're dealing with this in 2025, Maytag might have updated their diagnostics, but the basics remain the same. So, what causes it? Common culprits include loose wires, a malfunctioning door lock assembly, or even power surges that disrupt the electronics. Over time, wear and tear can lead to these issues, especially if your machine is a few years old. But before you panic, let's go through some easy troubleshooting steps. Step 1. Start by unplugging your Maytag appliance for at least 1 minute. This simple reset can clear temporary glitches and might solve the problem right away. Once it's plugged back in, run a test cycle and see if the error persists. If that doesn't work, check for any visible damage. Inspect the wires connected to the control board and the door lock for signs of wear or disconnection. Make sure nothing's blocking the door or the sensor. If you're comfortable, you can use a multimeter to test for continuity, but if not, it's okay to skip that. Next, if the error keeps showing up, it might be time to update your machine's firmware if Maytag has released new software for 2025 models. Check the Maytag website or app for instructions. And remember, if you're not handy with tools, call a professional technician to avoid any risks. In summary, the F29 error is usually fixable with a reset or basic checks, but don't hesitate to seek help if needed. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give us a like, subscribe for more appliance tips, and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.